So the only thing I would say regarding it working really well in the rain is that the only issue is that it can get quite clogged. So I've just noticed that it's not really cutting very well. So I've just turned it over and had a look, and I've just switched it off here to make sure that I don't get any kind of nasty surprises. But as you can see, it's kind of clogged on quite a bit. So I'm just going to clear all of this and hope that that makes enough of a difference. And to be honest, if this is the only maintenance that I've got to do in order to make sure I've got a perfect lawn, it's a pretty easy piece of work. So it's kind of all around the turning bar. It's got, I don't know if you can see, but that is all completely clogged with grass, which I don't know if it'll make a difference or not, but we'll give it a go and see. Rarely do you come across these issues, but sometimes they pop up. So, turn it back on would probably help. So as you can see now, because I've stopped it and turned it off, I now have to re-enter my PIN number, which is just a brilliant security device. Right, let's see how she goes. Yeah, see? I don't know if you can hear, but you can actually hear it cutting much better, and it's moving a lot more swiftly, although it's now bumped into the table and chairs. So I don't know if you can actually hear the sound of it cutting, but it's much better.